हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लाइफ टॉक्स बाय रुखसाना। आज जिसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं, शी इज़ अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन एंड ऑल्सो शी इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू मेक मी ब्यूटिफुल एवरी डे इन एवरी वीडियो। सो आज हम इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाले हैं शिरीन मर्चेंट को। सो हियर शी कम्स।
Hi, hello friends. Thank you so much, Rukhsana, for having me here. I'm
Pleasure
really,
is all mine.
Yeah, I'm
And
really excited.
guys, I'm super excited to have her, and I'm cutting her because आज I have done nothing and she's going to do my makeup and I'm very excited. पर पहले हम कुछ details बात कर ले. Thank you very much, Shireen, for accepting my invite and coming here and removing time basically from your busy schedule.
Thank you.
So let us start with what exactly is makeup and how important it is for daily life.
So, talking about what exactly is makeup, makeup is nothing but a feel-good factor.
Okay.
Makeup is nothing that you think that I have to put this to hide this or I have to put that to hide that. I have to wear a makeup to look beautiful. Everybody is beautiful.
Right.
You just need to feel. You need to get that feel out of you that I am beautiful, whatever it is. I have wonderful features. My skin is wonderful. So makeup just helps you get that feeling out of you, according to me. So as I always say, makeup is a feel. It is not the products. It is the feel. It is how you do it, the purpose that you do it. So it's like every time it would be happening. I'm sure to most of us, you have a very low day. And आपने अच्छे कपड़े पहन लिए, बाल बना लिया, एक लिपस्टिक लगा दिया, and you completely pepped up.
Change.
Why?
Yes.
Because you start looking beautiful. You get that that wow, I'm looking so nice. You get that wow feeling. So makeup
Yeah.
is nothing but a wow feeling. And talking about how important it is, according to me, it is very important. And makeup, I would not say मेकअप में आपने कंसीलर लगा दिया, फाउंडेशन लगा दिया, ये प्रोडक्ट लगा. सो many people have that. When you talk about makeup, people think it's like अरे मुझे ये भी लेना है, मुझे वो भी लेना है, मुझे कंसीलर में नहीं लगाऊंगी तो कैसे चलेगा, करेक्टर क्या होता है, many questions people have. And because of that they're like मुझे तो लगाना ही नहीं आता है तो मैं मेकअप करती ही
See, count me in, because when I started my process of applying makeup, I am sure मैं जब I went to learn from you when I started that, I was like मैं क्या पहले लगाऊंगी, मैं ये लगाऊंगी, मैं वो लगाऊंगी, I will give you this, मुझे आप ये बता दो, मुझे आप छोटे टिप्स दे दो कि ये करना है. And when now जब मैं अपने ऊपर ये चीज़ें करती हूँ, it is not taking that much time because I have learned the right way of doing it, जो मुझे नहीं पता था. And I used to be petrified of getting makeup done to myself. खास करके the eyebrows. It was really, it used to be a disaster, वो जो मुझे अभी भी डर लगता है. But practice has given me a good feel.
And eyebrows is the most beautiful thing of in makeup that you can.
But you make it look so easy and so beautiful. It is when you teach, when you have given those tips, जो small चीज़ें जो हम अक्सर भूल जाते हैं. और मेकअप को फॉर मी नाउ इट हैज़ बिकम माई सेकेंड स्किन. सो आई गेट कम्फर्टेबल, लाइक अगर मुझे बाहर जाना है, सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू पेप अप विद माई फाउंडेशन and just a liner or just even applying the lipstick is giving me a different feel altogether.
It also gives you that confidence to carry yourself.
Exactly.
The way you carry yourself. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है हम कुछ कपड़ों में you feel confident. So that's with the makeup. You get that confidence that I am beautiful and I am confident, and that's how I'm like walking out.
But sometimes what happens, जो मैंने feel किया है कि जब हम कपड़े अगर normal भी पहन ले, and even if you just have your eyeliner and your lipstick on, you change yourself completely.
So it's like more than me answering how important makeup is. It is you answering it by yourself. How makeup important is.
Yes, it has changed.
Yes. So it is a different me talking as a makeup artist and you talking as a layman for a makeup.
Exactly,
You know? So
exactly.
that's the difference. So now you understand how important makeup is.
Yes, it is change. जब हम मेकअप आर्टिस्ट की बात करते हैं, good you removed this topic. How does the world perceive? See, we talk about women, okay, and how does the world perceive a makeup artist?
Uh, See, I would say today's time trends are changing, but still एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को लेकर एक वो टैबू है
Okay.
कि भाई मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है, फॉर ग्रांटेड फीलिंग हो जाता है. So these
For
things
granted
are,
in the sense like giving you value or with respect to or is it an overall concept कि उन्होंने एक कैटेगरी में डाल दिया है कि मेकअप आर्टिस्ट इज
बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है दैट उन्होंने एक कैटेगरी में डाल दिया है कि भाई ये मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है, बस आ जाओ मेकअप करो, हम हमारे टाइम पर आएंगे. एंड मेनी आर टाइम्स पीपल डोंट रियलाइज हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट मेकअप इज नाउ व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग रेडी फॉर योर वेडिंग. इट इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट डे फॉर इन योर लाइफ.
exactly.
You are spending on your outfits, you are doing XYZ whatever, but makeup जब आता है बस यही सब तो लगाना है.
हाँ.
It is not, you don't understand that it is not about the products, it is the technique. Product तो मैं आपको भी दे दूंगी, लगाओ. See, when you came to learn makeup from me, you had products.
Yes,
It's
of
not
course.
that you didn't. You
Yes.
had whatever were the required products you had. But still you didn't know how to use it.
Exactly.
What are the techniques? Where to use it? क्या brush किस चीज़ के लिए use होगा? You don't know. So that is the difference when a learned makeup artist comes. So that kind of respect every makeup artist wants.
Yeah.
That we have learned, we have done our graduation in makeup, and that's the kind of respect and value that
Okay.
you should be giving us. We know.
Graduation in makeup. So is it a proper study? Is
So
makeup?
proper studying as in there are certification courses from various institutes. So
Wow,
that,
this is what I as a layman I had no idea because
Okay.
for me makeup is like हाँ parlor में जो लोग करते हैं और उनको आता है. That is how
उनको भी आता
illiterate I
है.
am in knowing about a makeup
So
artist.
there are makeup artists who are self-taught and they are also amazing makeup artists, but they are self-taught. बहुत से है. And there are other makeup artists who've actually done their courses. So and it's not that see makeup is nothing like एक बार आपने कर लिया and it is done.
Yeah.
It is an upgradation every day. So we as makeup artists keep ourselves upgraded every day with the
New techniques.
Yes, with the new techniques जो इंडिया में चल रही है, being an Indian makeup artist जो internationally चल रही है. So we do have to keep an upgrade about all those things.
So it is practically just like any other profession,
Absolutely.
which can be into a grandiose scale, upscaled, done it in a proper business format. Does it have all these things?
Yeah, absolutely. It does. So
Okay.
so for makeup artists, there are people who have their makeup studios. So where they run a proper business, where people do come for the makeup.
Okay.
The brides आती है, makeup learnings वगैरह होती है, academies होती है. There are few makeup artists जो freelancers होते हैं.
हाँ.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
but
provide their services
You
at your
provide the
place
service
or
at your place, or they travel, or you come to our place and you get the service done. So yeah, makeup is a profession, it is a business, it can be converted into a business, and it will definitely follow all the business ethics, and it has to
Wow.
have the same value like any other business.
yes, it has to have the same value.
Yeah.
Because value wise जो as a women जब हम इस चीज़ के बारे में आगे बढ़ते हैं, how have the time changed and how difficult it still is to get into this venture. Like if we talk about young people, those who want to get into this industry, it is not कि भाई eyeliner लगाने को सीख लिया and blusher आ गया लगाने को. It is not that. It has to go through a proper method.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So there are proper trainings that
Okay.
is being given. There are basic courses where you learn the basics of makeup. There are advanced courses where you learn the advanced. So there are people who just want to specialize in bridals. So you learn bridal makeup. There are
okay,
people
okay.
who want to, do a further than bridal. They want to get into the TV industry. They want to get into fashion makeup. So there's a different segment altogether for the fashion makeup, like the creative makeups, and so that's a completely different thing that is. And there is a proper method and proper training which is required, to get professional at it.
Okay, so is it become such a big industry?
Absolutely. And nowadays makeup industry is blooming. People are getting interested in makeup. They are taking it up as a career. As I said, the trends are changing. पहले के time पे the trends were different, but now people are understanding the importance of makeup. They know what makeup can do, and so they are wanting to get into this line of business.
Yes. I understand, because when we used to, as teens or as young girls, जब कोई makeup के लिए जाता है, many a times they feel, or the parents feel, or the people are surrounding, the relatives feel कि क्या makeup चल रहा है,
Right.
it is, और तुम क्या इसके अंदर कुछ करने वाले हो. There is no career, there is no life structure, but we can give them the message that it can
Absolutely.
definitely change their
Yes,
life.
definitely it can. It has changed my life. So I am a makeup artist and I am pursuing it as my career.
Right, absolutely.
Right? And
right.
I mean, by grace of God, I'm doing very well.
Wow, this is amazing.
So and makeup is not just restricted. लोगों को ऐसा हो जाता है, आपने makeup सीख लिया, bride आएगी,
हाँ.
आपको मिलेगी bride तो आप करोगे. It is not that. You can experiment. Like for example, if I talk about myself, I take personal grooming. I cater one-on-one, for
Yes,
a person,
yes.
a person who is not in, who doesn't want to only go to the events but want to learn for themselves.
Yes,
Right. So
just
there are
like
personal,
me, huh.
yes, personal groomings that you can take. Then there are brides, which you can cater to. Then there is teaching.
Oh.
So, teaching is to an individual or professionally, if anybody wants to get into this career. So you can get into teaching as well. You can set up your own academy. You can set up
wow.
your own bridal studio. So there are a lot of things that you can do with makeup. It's just not that कि मेकअप सीख लिया, ब्राइड आएगी, कोई ऑर्डर आएगा तो मैं जाऊंगी. No, if you don't want to do that, there are many other things that you can do after having learned makeup.
So as a business career, जैसे हम लेते हैं हर एक को, it has to have the R&D, the research thing,
every
and
business
know
has
the
that.
market and
Absolutely.
know about what services you can provide.
Correct.
So this is getting interesting, because I have never seen it as a woman myself. I have never seen it as makeup being into such a big career. But now जब मैं लोगों को देख रही हूँ, people are actually coming out.
Yes.
Their talent is being shown, and you get n number of videos where you see exactly how we can be different.
Absolutely.
Talking about different, there's one more thing which जो मुझे cover करनी है, about the skin type.
Mm-hmm.
We basically get it wrong. First of all, we get it wrong about our skin,
Yes.
and we get it wrong about the structure of our face. So can you just talk about it, and can you just inform
So
a little
talking about skin types, when you talk about, there are 3 to 4 kind of skin types. Types may we have a normal skin, or we have a dry skin, or we have an oily skin, and at the most you will have a combination skin. Combination skin is something that your T-zone is generally oily and the cheek portion is dry, or vice versa. It is very, very important for all of us to understand our skin type.
Okay.
Unless we understand our skin type, we cannot, get into a proper skin prepping.
Okay.
Of course, over the counter, there are products which says, suitable for all skin
types. Right.
But what is the harm in understanding your skin type and using a product for that specific concern?
Huh.
I feel that would give much more results than getting into that generalizing of suitable for all skin types. Though I don't deny that, of course, those products are also good and they do give results. So there are examples, certain brands जिसमें specific skin type के लिए product नहीं है,
हाँ.
right? But that's my favorite brand, and I want to buy a product, so I will definitely go in with all skin types, because I know that it's not going to harm my skin.
Correct.
So yes, understanding your skin type is very important. How to understand your skin type? The best way is you wake up early in the morning. One of the way, you check your skin.
Okay.
Right? कि generally ना tissue paper test करते हैं. You
Okay.
take a tissue paper, you place it on your face, and then you see कहाँ कहाँ oily portion आया है.
Okay.
If you feel that बहुत ज़्यादा oil आया है आपके tissue में, that means your skin is oily. Also dry skin का पता चल जाता है, खिंचाव रहती है skin में, fine lines ज़्यादा होती है dry skin में because it is not very moisturized. Those are dry skin type. Normal is like baby skin.
Okay.
Like neither dry nor oily. It's like good to go.
Just
skin
feel
is
good.
your normal skin. Oily skins will generally tend to have acne. They may have large pores. You know, जो वो pores खड्डे खड्डे
Exactly,
दिखते हैं.
yeah.
So they may have large pores. So these are the ways that you can identify your skin type.
There was one more very important thing that you had told me, like when I had asked you like, is my skin oily? So there was an each factor question that you had applied, and you had informed me that after so and so age or after 30, like we women, we tend to think that it's just one skin or skin
Correct.
type that is going to forward, but then it changes.
Yes, it does changes. In fact, forget the age. The skin type will also change as per the weather.
Okay.
Yeah, so when summers are approaching, you will feel that skin थोड़ा oily होता जा रहा है.
हाँ.
जब winters आते हैं, जब weather dry होता है, तब आपका skin थोड़ा dry होते जाता है.
Okay.
So there are climatic changes also which will change your skin type. Of course, matured skin, as you age, as you get matured, a matured skin generally tends to get little drier because वो collagen lose होता जाता है, moisture lose हो जाता है हमारी skin से, and also one of the reason is that we don't take proper care of our skin.
Yes, precisely.
So a matured skin can also be wonderful, less wrinkles, less dry if you take good care of your skin. So here is the importance of skin care. People also have that notion that ठीक है ना, मेरा skin जैसा भी है, makeup कर
Makeup कर लो, हाँ, खत्म.
But
I had
no.
the same thing.
Yes,
I had the same.
In fact, जितना अच्छा आपका skin prep होगा, उतना ही अच्छा आपका makeup होगा. See, makeup is not a surgery. Acne है तो है. तुम उसको मेकअप से निकाल कर फेंक नहीं सकते हो.
अच्छा, हाँ.
You can hide it. You can camouflage it for some time.
Just for some time. हाँ, not all.
Right.
Not.
So
okay.
So it is very important to take good care of your skin.
Yes, I can agree because today for the prep, I just since you were going to do the makeup, so I just applied my primer, my of course face wash, the moisturizer,
Yes.
then the primer, and then the foundation.
Yes.
So it sounds as 4 steps, but it is really just 20 to 25 seconds for each
Absolutely.
thing, and now it has in just 5 to 10 minutes I am actually good to go.
Correct.
Even if I'm not using anything,
Correct.
I am just comfortable with my skin because now my skin feels more healthier and
Absolutely.
happier.
Absolutely.
And yes, the preparation, just putting a night cream or just applying some good serum, it really enhances your skin, and I had no knowledge about it.
And imagine the confidence and the self-love you get.
Yes,
When you,
that's
you
the
know,
added
actually,
bonus.
Yeah, feel
That's
that,
it.
oh wow, my skin is glowing
Yeah.
and my skin is looking nice. Also, I would like to add one thing over here. This is a myth that many people have this. मेरा skin बहुत oily है, तो मैं moisturizer नहीं लगाऊंगी.
Huh, I had the same issue. Like
Yeah.
I never used moisturizer.
But moisturizer is not only to give that moisture to your face or the skin, it is also for hydration.
Okay.
Moisturizer मत लगाओ, but दिन के 4 लीटर पानी पियो.
Okay. Oh,
Choice is yours.
okay. That's
Yeah, so-
something different.
Yeah, see, water intake will improve your hydration level.
Okay.
It
So it's the
gives-
same thing. The moisturizer
Yeah,
does
you
the same
are-
thing
yes,
for your.
you are hydrating it.
Okay.
It is
this
more for
nice.
an hydration.
Okay.
Yeah, especially for the oily skin. Oily skin may have that greasiness, but see, बहुत से oily skin dull लगती है.
हाँ.
Even though it is oily, shine आनी चाहिए, लेकिन dull लगती है. क्यों
I
dull
know, I
लगती
know,
है?
हाँ.
Because hydration नहीं है.
Okay.
Right? So moisturizer is not only to make your dry skin moisturized, but it also gives you hydration. So there are difference of products. So if you have a dry skin, you need more creamy products. to give
Acha.
you that moisture and hydration. If you have an oily skin, you go in for a water based or a gel based, because उसमें हमको ज़्यादा greasiness या moisture की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमको hydration की ज़रूरत है. So you go in for a gel or a water based product.
But then there are some rituals that you have to do.
Definitely,
Like
you
the
have to do.
moisturizer
And
has to be there.
especially before makeup, you have to. पता है makeup के time पे public, you know, many people they just leave doing makeup. मैं makeup लगाती हूँ तो cracks आते हैं, मेरी skin ज़्यादा dry हो जाती है, थोड़ी देर बाद मेरी skin dark लगने लगती है. These are the most common things people come up with.
Okay,
इसके
okay.
लिए मैं तो makeup लगाती ही नहीं. मेकअप लगाने से पहले अपनी स्किन प्रेप किया. Did you give that moisture to your skin? Did you give that hydration to your skin? A foundation will never blend in if the surface is
Yes.
uneven.
Yes, that was my start का जब
Yes.
routine it was there. I used to feel के foundation is just getting patchy, and now since I've taken care of my skin, it just blends. It is
Correct.
just blending, and today it was really amazing because it is just the foundation and I'm just ready. Like I
Yeah.
can go for the shoot, just
Correct.
with my lipstick on. I've not even applied the eyeliner, nor the mascara, nor my eyebrows are done. But then it feels good. It just feels
Yes.
good, and it feels like, you know, my skin is thanking me कि I am taking care of it.
Correct.
So that's really a blessing. And we as women tend to keep ourselves into this zone of, you know, age हो गई है, you know, now
Yes.
this is I think
Yes.
बहुत common है, age हो गई है now, अब कौन
अब कौन
कौन देखने
करेगा?
वाला है और कौन
Absolutely,
these are the words. अरे
Yes.
अब कौन देखेगा, अभी क्या करना है. And I want to pinpoint to these things, like, you know, if you are always looking for outside appreciation, you can never feel good inside, you know. And you made me introduce that to myself. Like I was like, अरे यार छोड़ना, अभी क्या करना है, ऐसे ही करते हैं. And you were like, you are beautiful, and those words really changed me. Like, you know, just take care of your skin. That's it. That's yours.
Yes.
That's not किसी और का.
See, मेकअप में हम क्या करते हैं ना, people also would say कि अभी इतना skin बात करें तो हम skin ही अच्छी रखे, मेकअप क्यों करें,
हाँ.
right? Makeup adds on color to your face. ठीक है, आपकी skin अच्छी है, ठीक है, but your skin will look flat because it's an even tone. Why is it that कि एक अलग shade of lipstick लगाकर face एकदम change हो जाता है?
Right.
Because
right.
you are adding color to it.
Okay.
Right? The same goes with makeup. You are adding color to it. Certain things you are highlighting, certain things you are pushing back. Now, if I talk about skin being good, okay, skin is good. But we come to the face structure that you asked, the face
Yes.
structure, right? Skin कितनी भी अच्छी कर लो, face structure जो है वो ही रहेगा.
Right.
Right?
Absolutely.
What we talk in makeup is ideal face is an oval face. That's because it does not give shadows from anywhere. जो भी light आएगी तुम्हारे face पर आएगी, यहाँ वहाँ कहीं shadow नहीं आएगा. Whereas जो दूसरे face structures होते हैं, round face बोलो या square face बोलो, which are little proportion में, you know, square में ये थोड़ा बाहर रहता है, ये थोड़ा बाहर रहता है.
हाँ, हाँ.
So जब light fall होती है तो वो center में fall होती है और यहाँ पर shadows आते हैं.
Okay.
Right? So इसके लिए बोला जाता है the ideal face is a oval face. So
Okay.
when we do makeup, you know, there are certain techniques where we can give an illusion of having an oval face. Of course, it is not a surgery that you just cut your skin and make it
you have
oval.
to learn it. You have
Yes,
to learn
but
it
there
properly.
are techniques. So this is where, you know, contouring and highlighting comes.
Okay.
Yeah, which is a part of makeup.
Okay. But makeup is beautiful.
Absolutely.
Because जब हम makeup करते हैं, when I you know, prepare myself properly with the right contouring and with the right eyelashes, it enhances my personality.
Yes, that is what
So
makeup is all about.
So it is not about मेरा face structure ऐसा है or you know what am I about to think.
Correct.
Makeup gives me that confidence, and
Correct.
I'm really into it because it has changed my personality, my perception of myself.
Absolutely.
Not about others, what about others care about me or what they think. It is nowhere there.
Correct.
Just about myself feeling good, and the proper makeup. When I apply the foundation, the concealers and everything, it tends to enhance my personality and I feel really rich about myself.
Right.
rich in the sense.
Yes, I
Feeling
understand.
very, very good
Very,
about
absolutely.
myself, and it just gives me, it takes me into another level. So thanks to you, I
You're
have really changed. So let us now move ahead
Yeah.
and talk about some products which can give us. So हम basically इस point पे आ रहे हैं कि अगर हमारा स्किन, हमारा फेस स्क्वायर है या वो है, सो इट इज़ बेटर कि हम उसको ओवल में
Yes, so our
प्रिपेयर
aim
करें
in
या
makeup,
ओवल
yes.
में ही उसको
Yes.
मेकअप करने की कोशिश करें.
Correct.
सो दैट वट एवर इट इज़, वेर एवर टाइप आपको करना है या कहाँ पे भी आपको जाना है, वट एवर टाइप ऑफ शूट और जस्ट अ सेल्फी और वट एवर इट
Correct.
इज़, योर फेस गेट्स द प्रॉपर
Correct.
लुक ऑन
Correct.
इट. सो लेट अस सी कि हम इसको कैसे एनहांस कर सकते हैं एंड व्हाट
Okay.
प्रोडक्ट्स. Let's just help us out with these products.
Okay, so we have few products over here. As I say, skin prep is very much required. So when we talk about prepping the skin, of course, as you've already mentioned, we have cleaning our face. We have moisturizing. So now with moisturizer, it is like you can use moisturizers, you can use such beauty oils. There are these beauty oils are also quite in. People have that myth ke mera skin oil kaise jayega skin pe. But of course beauty oils are curated as per your skin types.
Okay.
Yeah, so you
it
get
is-
you get such beauty oils also, which is very, and these specially help in dry skin.
Okay.
जिसकी dry skin होती है उनको ये specially help करता है. So yeah, you have your moisturizers, you have your beauty oils, and then you have your primer. So primer is the last step of the skin prep and the first step before starting the makeup.
But I'll just ask you about
हाँ.
the primer. Primer के लिए people tend or think that they can avoid the step.
Yes.
So I have found like I have my primer which is this is just the gel base, and this primer is abhi, since I came to know that my skin is
Going dry.
going dry, I have taken this with your help.
Yes.
This is what it is. So this is L'Oreal ka, this is a cream based.
Infallible, yes.
Yes, infallible. This is a cream based,
Yes.
which is really prepared my skin very well. So how important is primer?
So primer is very important. Primer gives you a clean canvas. Primer helps in filling up those fine lines that you have. See, whenever you want to paint, yeah,
Okay.
any which ways, I don't know if it's a correct example to give, but we are kind of painting our face, right?
हाँ.
We will always need a clean canvas to paint.
Okay.
जिधर भी थोड़ा बहुत ups and downs होगा वहाँ पर वो पेंट खराब होगा.
हाँ.
So primer does that work. It will give you a clean canvas. It will help in filling up those fine lines. जो oily skin रहते हैं, जिसके pores बहुत ज़्यादा enlarged रहते हैं, so you get specifically addressing to that concern,
Okay.
wherein it minimizes the look of the pores. So and also it helps for the makeup to stay for a longer time.
Okay.
So according to me, yes, primer is very much required.
But is it there's also a myth कि अगर हमने प्राइमर लगा लिया है या हम प्राइमर लगाने वाले हैं तो we should avoid moisturizer,
No.
और vice versa.
No.
अगर moisturizer लगा रहे हो तो it's okay कि
No,
प्राइमर
not at all. See, दोनों का work
Working.
अलग ही है.
Okay.
The moisturizer is for some other purpose, and their purpose is different. The primer is other purpose. Moisturizer is to hydrate your skin, to give you that smooth finish where your the foundation has that moistness to blend.
हाँ.
This is to जो भी वो bumps वगैरह रहते हैं, moisturizer will not help in filling up your fine lines.
Correct.
Or minimizing your pores,
Yes.
or it will not help in helping your makeup stay for a longer time.
Exactly.
Which is what the primer does. So
I have felt that difference.
Yes, the
I have
purpose
seen
is
that.
absolutely different. So you cannot choose either or.
Okay.
Yeah, but there are certain occasions where you can avoid a primer. Just say example, I'm just going for a coffee. I need to put on little makeup, but I'm just going for a coffee. I'm going for a kitty with my friends.
हाँ.
वहाँ I don't want too much of makeup to be
हाँ,
seen.
right.
I want a very natural look. I'm okay with a bit of imperfections on my skin. In such cases, you can avoid a primer. But yeah, in cases where you're going for events or you have your shoots or you're going for a wedding where you want the makeup to stay for a longer time, then yeah, primer is very important.
Wow, this is really knowledgeable. After that, foundation को लेकर of course there is loads of confusion and the concealer, like you know concealer पहले लगाना है, foundation बाद में लगाना है, foundation को पहले करना है, कितना level का लगाना है, कौन से shades लेने हैं.
Correct, absolutely.
So,
I understand that. You did your primer, you put your foundation, and then there are certain areas, जैसे under the eye, the high cheekbone, जो high areas, वहाँ पर you can use your concealer to give you that brightening effect. So even when you must have used your concealer, you would see कि जब हम under eye के नीचे लगाते हैं तो वो eye immediately pop up हो जाती है. Right. So that's the basic use of the concealer.
So I am going to come to a very interesting thing
Yes.
now. Okay, why don't we show this
Absolutely.
rather than talking
Yes, we
about
can
it?
do that.
Why don't we show this and I'm going to be the canvas, beautiful canvas. I'm so excited
We can
to
do
get this
that.
done
We can do
with
that.
you.
Yes.
So friends, welcome back. और अब हम आपको बताने वाले हैं कि कैसे मैं खूबसूरत बनने वाली हूँ with the help of
Let's change it.
Shireen.
मैं already खूबसूरत हूँ and now I'm gonna enhance myself more.
Okay, so whatever she said. So friends, आपने देखा अब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हो गई हूँ with the makeup and everything on, and I'm really grateful to you, thankful to you, and जैसे हमारा एक system है, so as a token for you accepting our invite, coming here, really taking this effort of doing all this for us. This is from Life Talks by Ruxana.
Thank
To
you.
the awesome woman who made it happen. Who made this happen? Who made this happen?
Thank you so much.
Thank
This is
you
the
so
best part.